Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about human digestive system. First, we put the food into the mouth where it turns into small pieces with the help of teeth and saliva. Then esophagus, which carries the food from mouth to stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with gastric juice. After stomach, it goes into small intestine, which digests and absorbs protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Then remaining food goes into large intestine, which absorbs salt and water from food, leaving a soft mass called stool. From there, it goes into rectum, which stores the stool temporarily. And at the end, the stool exits the body from anus. I hope you will remember this information. Happy learning. Bye-bye.